Well, it's another day of rain. Rob is heading out and he's going to take care of the chickens in the front yard. I have never seen this kind of rain in all my days here at the farm. It's rained so much that we have to recharge our Premier One fencing charger. No sun. Well, it's another rainy day. Ugh. Oh God. This is gonna suck the shoes off my feet. Oh shit. We have had rain for probably 2 weeks daily, and it is saturated. The ground is saturated, and you can't walk anywhere without it sucking the shoes off your feet. Our poor chickens, as you can see, are taking refuge in the horse's stall. She's soaked to the bone. And poor Penny is just out in the rain. Nobody likes the rain. Our goats, oh man, it's just bad. Rob and I are off to get hay for the goats and for Penny and Samson. Using this wagon is, right now with all the rain and how wet everything is, it's the easiest way to get the hay transported back to the pasture. Hey, Bacon. We're bringing you a brother today. Well, thank goodness the hay is dry. Everything in this barn stays dry. I'm so glad. We're going to fill up this wagon full of hay and take it back out to Penny and the boys. Do I need to pick up the feed in the shed on the way? Okay. Actually, I didn't hear what he said. I guess he's picking it up. Is y'all hungry? Are you hungry? Ooh. Yeah, we need to move them. They're in standing mud. Ooh. Yeah. Y'all have a wallet. We're going to get y'all out of that. Time to move the pigs. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, I think y'all like that. wish I would look at this mud. It's ridiculous. Rob is going to have to walk all the way out the pasture with that wagon. So Penny will have a decent place to stand without standing in the mud. Rob is trying to get a drier spot where the ground is not so soggy for Penny to eat. I'm glad it didn't suck your boots off. She's going to the back. She's going to the bathroom. She's getting hay. She'll come in and get it. Looks like this guinea is stuck on an island. Yeah, I don't think we've ever had it this bad out here. We just need to get a big round bale and put it right here in the mud. Yeah. It is bad. Oh, the chicken coop is... He's not pooping in the water, is he? Oh man. So we did a little thing today. We went and picked up another pig to raise for a friend. The farm we went to get our pig at, it has quite the menagerie of animals. Everything. Sorry. Everything. It's like a petting zoo. I'm gonna get these emus. Take a look here in this pen. Hey. It's so crazy. We're gonna be making some potato leek soup, and I'm gonna start that because it needs to simmer up a little while. So let me get my leeks. So we're here for the Paula cooking show. We had to come inside and get warm. It was just too cold outside. We had had some sleet starting with the rain, so time to make some soup. COVID brain at work again here today. Looks like I forget how to put on an apron. Oh dear. Come on, self. You can do it. Thank goodness. I just embarrassed myself. I think I got it together now. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to be chopping up some onion. Let's see. I want you to be able to see what I'm chopping. As you can see, I still haven't learned to turn off my ringer while I'm trying to tape a video. I'll get it one day. This is our pig bucket. So we put all of our scraps in it. So I'm sauteing some onions and bell peppers. I'm getting ready to cut up my leeks. This potato leek soup is going to be so great for today, especially with all this cold rain, and I cannot wait. As you may already know, leeks are infamous for holding dirt and sand, so I'm giving them a good wash before I start cutting them up. No one wants sand in their soup. We love potato leek soup. I'm going to include this recipe in the comments below. This is one of my very own recipes, and it's very easy to make. I like to slice mine down the middle and then chop them this way. So. These will be sauteed as well. Chop it again. Good Lord. People, let me be. I'm trying to make a video. That's dirt in it. Washed it good, but okay. Middle. I cut it this way too. That might help me. Smaller pieces. Yeah, I'm gonna cut. See, the dirt's up here. We do not want the dirt in our stew. Get some salt in here. I want my vegetables to sweat down, so I'm sauteing until they're all tender, which takes a few minutes. This will go to the pigs. What's nice about having pigs and or chickens is that we have no kitchen waste. Nothing goes into the trash can. We put it in the bucket and we feed it to the animals. I'm just going to say, I have a birthday in a few weeks, and I think I need a food processor. All this chopping is for the birds. I need a food processor. Told ya! Hint, hint. Okay, last carrot. We can do this. I still have the potatoes to cut up, but I'm not going to let you suffer through that. I'm going to show you what we have so far. We have our carrots and our leeks and our peppers with some onions, and we're cooking it down. Then I'll start cutting up potatoes and I'll get some chicken stock out. It's a cold, rainy day outside, and I think this stew is going to hit the spot tonight. So I'm speeding this up a bit, but I'm chopping up mushrooms, red potatoes, and 2 sweet potatoes, and adding my chicken stock. Now you could also, instead of chicken stock, use vegetable stock and make it vegetarian. Well, I put some sweet potato, red potatoes, leeks, onions, bell peppers, and some kielbasa, so sausage. I'll let you see. I'm gonna let this cook down for a little while. A nice hearty soup for this evening. And of course, if you're a vegetarian, you do not have to add the kielbasa, but Rob loves it. I'll turn this on low and let it simmer a few hours. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. We'd love to hear from you. What are you cooking on a cold day? Is it snowing where you are? Well, we just have rain and it's miserable. But this is going to warm our bones. See you later.